Hello and welcome to the sixth Accuscore video demo. Number 6 is driver setup using spreadsheets. So far we have been typing all the information about drivers and vehicles into the Accuscore UI. That's a simple way to do it, but it's not very convenient if you have more than a few drivers. So the options really are the UI, secondly spreadsheets, and thirdly the API. So in this video we're going to upload a spreadsheet. We'll start with an empty database, and we'll use the UI to enter a single driver and vehicle, download the spreadsheet, and that'll have that one driver in it. Now we can edit the spreadsheet locally and add another driver, and then import the spreadsheet and see the results in the database. And then I want to import a larger spreadsheet so you can see how this is supposed to work when you have more than a few drivers. And we'll download and edit that again. So here goes. Here's our setup screen. I'm going to add, as before, a big reseller so that we're in our own little area. Big company and big group. And now I'll just add one driver. This is the driver setup screen. I'm going to go back to vehicles. To the group to add a vehicle now. Now we have a single driver and a single vehicle. Now I need to connect them up, and that's easy to do. Click on those two boxes. Okay, and now down here is the link that gets us started on spreadsheets, how to set up a batch of drivers. So the first step is to add the first driver, which we just did. And now I'm going to download the current assignments. Done this a few more times, as you can tell. So this pops up this. So I've got a single driver here. This separator thing is necessary for Excel on Windows. So just leave it there. Let me add another driver, and I do need to say which group he belongs to, but I don't give any other IDs. Save that. That's number 10. Now we'll go back to here, and then these are the instructions about what kind of changes you want to make. Let's choose the file to upload. We're going to upload number 10. Let's upload it. And ta-da, now we have a new driver, Peter, who's driving a Bolt. So now let's take a look at what happens if we have a lot of drivers. And in fact, before I do that, I want to show you what the spreadsheet looks like. It's this one here. So I'm going to, instead of uploading the little one with just a few of us, suppose this is a spreadsheet that I've maybe figured out how to make from my internal documents. It's got IMEI numbers and weight classes. Now it has the group ID, 6 for everybody, but the driver ID, the only ones that are provided are 1 and 2. So the information for 1 and 2 will be replaced by what's here. The other ones will be new items created, and the same thing for vehicles out here. Okay, let's go. So oops, sorry, I didn't identify the file yet. Let's choose that file, choose this one, and now upload it. Okay, now here are all our drivers. So suddenly there they are with all of their connections. And what I want to show you is, let's take now, suppose I wanted to now make a further change. Somebody else has changed their phone number, for example. So let me download it again. This will download the current phones. And in the current set, we now have IDs. The IDs for all the drivers and the subscriptions, which is essentially a vehicle. And let me change something. Suppose we give a phone number for Larry King. Save that. Okay, let's get rid of this. And now we're going to choose a file to upload. It's going to be that last one, number 11. And we do the upload. So it looks the same because the only thing we changed was the phone number, Larry King, and here's this phone number. So there's the end of our video. You've seen how to manage a group of drivers using a spreadsheet.